my name is Cheris Glass, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you the SCAMPER process. First though, I'd like to tell you what each letter means, and then we're going to take a problem that we're actually having at our own house, and we are going to use the SCAMPER brainstorming process to hopefully fix that problem. Okay, S. S means substitute. C. C means combine. A means adapt. M means magnify. P, put to other uses. E, eliminate. And R, rearrange or reverse. Okay, like I said, we're going to use SCAMPER to solve a problem that we're having in our own home. Like most of you, if you have children, you probably have the problem of too many toys. Our children have too many toys, and we are trying to figure out what can we do to solve the problem of too many toys. They have too many to play with. They don't know what to do with them. They're in every nook and cranny. Let's see what we have here. We have toys right here. We have toys on their beds. We have toys around their beds. We have toys at the end of their beds. We have toys in all of these bins. They're full. They don't even know what's in them. In drawers, we need to be putting clothes in these drawers, but they're filled with toys. We have toys out in the... We have toys underneath their slide. They don't even get to play in there anymore. There's too many toys. We have toys in bins. We have toys behind the slide. Let's go back there. More toys. And we have toys in the hallway. Let's go to the hallway. They're overflowing into the hallway. I can't even get to my
treadmill. Forgot the name of it.
Okay, so S, what did we say S meant? Substitute. My husband Dan is going to help us with this. Dan, what can we substitute or change about our children's room?
Alright, my name's Dan, I'm Cheris's husband, and I'm going to talk about S, or substitute. Right now, we use these bins and all the rest of the area that you saw to store toys. And our goal is to have all the toys in these bins. So what can we change or substitute to get all the toys back in this bin? So we've come up with a procedure called the 6-month box. And as you can see here, our plan is to take the toys, put half of them away for 6 months, and leave the other half here in the room so that we can free up some space, and also this gives them the ability to have new toys again in 6 months, thus giving us opportunity to put all the toys in the baskets.
C. Remember, C means to combine. What ideas or parts can be combined? Can you combine or merge objects? Can you combine different talents to improve something? So we've decided that our children are now old enough to have those talents to pick up. So we have developed a pickup routine. So every night before they go to bed, they need to follow this pickup routine so it doesn't get out of control anymore. Okay, remember A is adapt. Adapt. What else is like it? What else is similar? Could I copy or borrow or emulate this idea from someone? Well, I did take this idea from someone. My friend uses a 3-month box, and every 3 months she rotates her toys so that they feel like they're getting something new. But I don't feel like I'm ready for that. So I'm going to start out with the 6-month box.
Alright, the next word is magnify. What can be magnified or made larger? Can I increase its frequency? What can be made higher, bigger, or stronger? So in our plan to magnify, what we decided to do is after 1 year or 2 rotations, we're going to evaluate the effectiveness of the procedure, and then at that point, if we need to, we can move to a quarterly or 3-month procedure or stay at the 6-month procedure. So it gives us a chance to evaluate and change the procedure. All right, magnify. Next, put to other usages. Once we realize how this helps us in our problem with our toys, we do in our house have another problem. And how can we apply this idea to other markets or other industries, or how can would a child use this or an older person? So what we've decided is, as you can see, come look this way, we also have a book problem. As you can see in the middle of their bed, we have plenty of books out here, but stacks and stacks of books. Also, if you look in here, oh, just more toys. There used to be books in there, they're gone. But come over here and I'll show you where they're coming from. We figured we could apply the same process to their books. As you can see, they have mountains of books. Books here, books there, books everywhere. So we decided to do a book box. The same thing, to move the books, half the books. We can take half the books, put them away, and then make the books a lot smaller, because what happens at night is they have so many books, they pull them all out on the ground and leave them out on the ground. So by eliminating some of the books, it reduces the amount that they can look at, thus reducing the mess.
Okay, so E means eliminate. What can we get rid of? What can we simplify? Can we make it smaller? Can we completely get rid of it? Or could we just put away what's unneeded? So we've decided that we're going to throw away all the broken toys. We don't need those anymore. And then there's some toys in here that they've had since they were babies, that they just really have no need for. And so we could give those away to charity. And finally, we're almost done. But we have the last letter, R, rearrange or reverse. What other arrangement might be better? Can we interchange components? Can we move something up? Can we move something down? What can be rearranged or reversed? So, as you see, you've seen my children's room now. The toy shelf is in their room, and the bookshelf is in the closet. So we've decided to move the bookshelf to the room and move the toy shelf into their closet. And we're hoping that this will, number one, make them choose books over toys when they're just completely bored. And so we want to promote reading. And number two, they have a smaller area in the closet. And usually when you have a smaller area, they don't want to mess it up that much, because then they can't walk around it. So I'm hoping that this will just get them to choose one or two toys, play with it, hopefully put it back, and choose books instead. So that is our SCAMPER brainstorming process, and I hope that you've learned something.